Do you ever feel like you're not spending enough time with your family because your work is taking too much of your time? Do you ever feel like you're constantly torn between home and work, never fully present in either place? In this fast-paced life, creating a work-life balance has become crucial. Finding this balance allows you to excel at work and helps you manage your personal life and overall well-being. However, finding this balance is not an easy task. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore why creating a balance between work life and personal life is important. We'll uncover some signs that indicate an unbalanced work life, and we'll look into effective strategies to restore balance and harmony in your life. So let's dive in and start this journey towards achieving balanced and fulfilling life together. Your work occupies most of your day, and when you're done with work, you often don't have the energy to engage in your personal life. Even though work is important, it enables you to pay your bills and put food on the table, but what's the point if you don't have time for your family, your hobbies, and things that make you happy? Creating a healthy separation between work life and personal life is essential for various reasons. It allows you to excel in both areas of life, making you more productive in your work hours and still having the time and energy for your personal life. Spending time with your family and friends or pursuing your hobbies gives you a deep sense of happiness and helps you release stress. It clears your mind and allows you to be more productive while strengthening your relationships. Ultimately, it is good for your overall happiness and well-being. When you're balanced, you're not just surviving the day, you're thriving. So let's dive deeper into understanding how to recognize the signs of imbalance and what we can do to achieve a healthier, more fulfilling work-life balance. Work comes with many pros and cons. On the positive side, it provides financial independence, boosts your activity level, and structure your daily routine. However, with these benefits come several downsides, including stress, fatigue, and erosion of your personal life. You might find yourself sitting at the dinner table with your family, but your mind is preoccupied with the meeting that you have tomorrow. This stress will not let you have a relaxing sleep at night and will make you crankier and less effective at work the next day. Common signs of imbalance between work and personal life are stress, burnout, neglecting your personal relationships, and constantly feeling overwhelmed. Physical signs include fatigue, headache, and trouble sleeping. With the imbalance in work life, you will start feeling exhausted and your personal relationships will suffer. You will miss important family gatherings to complete never-ending to-do list. To find a good balance, there are certain practical strategies that you can use. These strategies will help you manage stress and ensure your overall well-being. Setting clear boundaries is one of the most important steps in achieving work-life balance. Designate a time in which you can work, and after that time is over, disconnect from any work-related task and step outside of your office space. For instance, if your work time is till 7 p.m., you should not worry about responding to emails, meetings, or any work-related stuff after that. You can achieve this by using effective time management strategies such as the time blocking technique, where you can set a time for your work and personal life. Use calendars and to-do lists to help you prioritize the tasks that are most important to you. This will help you keep track of your meetings and important events. You can write your most important and complicated tasks at the top of your list. That way you will finish them first and it will help you feel more relaxed and lighter. Incorporate the Pomodoro technique into your work routine, where you work for 25 to 30 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. This technique will help you boost your productivity and make your work much easier. Integrate stress-releasing or stress-reducing activities like meditation and exercise into your daily routine to help you stay focused and handle responsibilities more effectively. Finally, prioritize your personal time by making space for health, family, and hobbies. By valuing and scheduling your personal time, you'll create a more balanced and fulfilling life. Finding a balance between work and life comes with numerous benefits. Most importantly, you will experience fewer health problems. The more time you spend at work, the more stressed and tired you become, leaving less time for workouts and other relaxing activities. This can lead to illnesses such as stroke and respiratory problems. Achieving a balanced life will help limit these health-related issues. It will also improve your overall mental health as you will have time to de-stress by engaging in activities that make you happy. Another benefit of this balance is increased productivity at work. When you're not overworked, you can focus more on the task at hand. In addition to professional benefits, a balanced life also enhances your personal life. You will have more time to spend with family and friends, deepening your connections with them. In conclusion, remember all the strategies we have discussed today. From setting boundaries to incorporating stress-reducing activities into our daily lives. These steps are essential for achieving a healthy work-life balance. Start implementing these strategies to foster a harmonious balance between your professional and personal life. Stay committed and witness how it transforms not only your professional success but also your personal happiness and well-being.